You're not fasting anymore, are you?
No.
It smells good.
Ooh. Yeah, Philly chicken.
That's pretty good. Definitely chicken and waffle.
It's kind of like the maple syrup. It tastes a little bit of syrupy flavor.
Delicious.
It's pretty good. You can't go wrong with that.
It's like sweet and mapley on the outside.
Yeah, it's not overwhelming. It's perfect. It's just right enough to touch both.
For a quick snack on the road.
Me, I'm always on the go. I'm always working. So this is great for like just driving it and just on the go while I'm driving.
Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside.
And very chickeny on the inside.
I would buy it.